Now let's talk about the comments. Comments are used to display the hints that can be read by the other programmers. In Java, basically, the comments are ignored by the compiler. In Java, comments are basically of three types: single line comment, multiple line comment, and documentation comment. So you can put comments anywhere in your Java. For example, before this first line, that is a package, if I try to put a comment here, let's say this is my top comments, and let's say I want to put it anywhere. You can also just check it out here. This is also a type of a comments. The second comments come the multiple line comments. Here you have to create a multi-line comments. You need to make a forward slash star and enter. You will get this one. Means it should start with the forward slash asterisk and end with the forward slash asterisk. So this is going to be the multiple line comments. So this will act as a multiple line comments. You can put it anywhere. And third way of comments are the documentation comment. For this you need to put forward slash and 2 star. So this is going to be the documentation comment. If you put this documentation comment before a method, so this method will be documented and you can explain why you use this particular method. And if it is used before a class, so it will explain about the class. So this is going to be the documentation comments. So in this way, my friends, you can create a comments and you can put it anywhere. Thanks for watching it.